Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to check scores in Google Forms. First, go to the Responses tab to view the insights. Here you can see the average score, median, and range. You'll also see the total score distribution displayed in a bar graph. To view individual scores, click on Individuals. You will now see the scores for each response. For example, this response scored 0 out of 2. Another response scored 10 out of 10, while others scored 0. To analyze or share scores more easily, click View in Sheets. You can review the results more clearly in Google Sheets, including recorded email addresses. To make the data easier to view, select the columns and click Insert, then Chart. A bar chart will be created automatically. You can also change the chart type to a pie chart from the right panel. And that's it. You've successfully checked scores in Google Forms. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.